Thank you again for tuning in to Sci472 Toy Review. This time we feature my very first Transformer toy. This is Bumblebee, a classic series edition of Bumblebee. And if you would notice, this is quite a different one compared to the cartoon version and the 1980s diecast version. Whereas way back some years ago, or 26 years ago, Bumblebee appeared as a Volkswagen car. It is a German car. In layman's term, it simply means as people's car. But right now, way back on 2008, Bumblebee appeared as a cruising car with this I don't know how do you call this. It's like a trailer or something na para bang hila-hila niya. Oops, tanggal. Ewan ko, para siyang ski or I really don't know what this is. Okay, but later on when we transform Bumblebee, you will understand ano yung purpose netong netong object na to. Anyways, some specs of this toy. You would see the usual Autobot sign na pag kinikis-kis mo, babago ng kulay. Usual yellow color of Bumblebee with some white parts. I think ipinattern ito doon sa 2007 Transformers movie. Then white part here, and I don't know what they call this thing, but this part here, yung pinaka bubong, maganda yung pagkakapaint nito. Para siyang rubber na plastic na pininturahan. Then of course, seats inside, and yeah, below it yung pinaka parts ni Bumblebee itself. But to transform this, it's quite simple. First, you have to break this part here, yung legs. Actually, hindi ko naman masyado mahihirapan kasi kung familiar ka kay Bumblebee, almost the same lang naman yung pagkaka-transform niya sa cartoons. When you break this, you have to open the door as well. Just sit there, as well as this one. Then, ilabas ang kamay. Ganyan din sa kabila. Ayan. Pag-angat mo ng salamin, tsaka mo ilalabas yung legs niya. See? I was very excited when I first have this toy. Siya kasi talaga kauna-unahang tong Transformer na original. Used to be, nung bata pa ako, binibilan din naman ako ng Transformer o mga robots. Pero yung mga nafi-free lang sa mga chicheria, alam mo naman, 1980s. Then okay, this part here, notice this part, you need to place this up, then ilalak mo siya dito. Okay, so ganyan. Okay, then tagilid mo yung ulo niya para lumitaw. Yan yung ulo. Okay, so yan ang head niya. Cute, isn't it? Yes. Now of course, this one here, yung parang ski jet. Actually, parang I don't know, parang jet niya kasi to eh, parang personal jet niya. Umangat siyang ganyan. You have to transform this. So natanggal na. You have to transform this as well into his personal jet, or whatever you call this thing. Okay. Now, where do you place this? See this slot here? Kailangan mong ilock siya dyan. Yan. Then, there we go. Bumblebee. Very nice, very cute. Madaling ma-appreciate ng mga bata. Kasi, siya yung character na malapit sa tao. And, considering that he is a nanobot. So this concludes our toy review of Bumblebee Classic Series. Hope you like it. Once again, please subscribe to my channel to get some cool stuffs, of course, coming from my uploads. Thank you. Good night.